Hello students, today I am starting chapter 2 estimation. Okay, to understand the estimation, understanding the word estimation is very important. If we talk about the Hindi meaning of estimation, it means to make an idea about approximate cost. मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ लगभग कितने रुपए की होगी इसका अनुमान लगाना या अंदाज़ा लगाना ही एस्टिमेशन है. Estimation is not only for cost, it may be for approximate size, quantity and population also. Okay, hence estimation means to make an idea about quantity and to judge approximate size, cost and population, etc. For example, nobody knows the total exact strength of school students. So in this case, if anyone is asking about the strength of school students, what do? You will make an idea about that. You will make an idea about the strength. Suppose it may be 995, 998 or 1004. So approximately it will be called 1000 means the strength of the strength of school students will be 1000. So estimation is also called a round off. We have round off these number and we get the 1000. Means we can say approximately 1000 students are there in our school. Okay. Now I will tell you how to round off a number. Let's understand. First of all, I will tell you rounding of the number at a 10th place. Rounding of a number at a 10th place means if any number is there, so you have to round that number at 10th place. You know the places of the number ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Similar here, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. So how do we round off any number if any number is given? To round off the number, at which place you have to rounding of a number, you will see the digit or a number written before that place. Means if you have to round off the number at 10th place, so you will check the number which is written before the 10th place, that is the 7. Means ones place number you will see, the number which is written at ones place. The question is saying round off the number at 10th place, so you will check the number which is written before it. Similarly here, if you have to round off this number at 10th place, okay, so you will check the number which is written at ones place. Got it? Now what we have to check, what we have to see at that place? You have to check that if the number is 5 or more than 5, if the number 5 or more than 5, then you will add a 1. Okay, now see the example. How do we round off this number at 10th place? Okay, question is saying rounding the number at the 10th place, nearest 10th place. First of all, we will say what is the number at the 10th place, that is the 6. Okay, so we will check the number which is written before the 6, that is the 7. If the digit 5 and more than 5 is there, if this number is 5 and more than 5 there, then you will add the 1 at which place you have to round off. Means this number become the 7 because we will add the 1, because we will add the 1. In which condition we will add the 1? When the number is 5 or more than 5. Okay, then in this condition we will add the 1. How? Here we have to round off this number at 10th place. At 10th place. So we will add the 1. Why we add the 1? Because before the 1 7 is there and 7 is more than 5. So this will be 9, 5, 4 and this 6 will become the 7. And what about this digit? It will become the 0. Okay, so rounding the number of 10 place, when we will change this number, when we will rounding of this number, we will get the 95,470. This is the rounding of number of this. Now similarly, if we have to rounding this number at 10th place, at 10th place 7 is there. Okay, we have to round this number. So we will check the number which is written before it. And this number is 5, more than 5. So we will add again in that number. That means 9, 5, 8. It will become the 8. We will add the 1 because the number which is written before this is the more than 5. So it will become the 8. Means this number become the 8. And here this number become 7. And what about this number which is left? It will be 0. Got it? Now we'll take more example. 1, 2, 8, 5. Again we have to rounding of this number at 10th place. So 1, 2, it will become the 9. Why? Because I told you at which place we have to rounding of the number. So we have to see the number or digit which is written before it. It is the number which is written, that is the 5. And the condition is saying when the 5 or more than 5 is there, we will add the 1 at that place. So it will become the 9 and now that is 0. Rest of the number will be 0. Now here we have to again rounding of the number at 10th place, 6 is written. So 2, 7, we will add the 1 at that place, at 10th place. Why? Because before that number which is written, that is the 9 and 9 is more than 5. So it will become the 7 and at 9, at the place of 9 we will write the 0. Okay. Now what happen if the digits are less than 5, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have to rounding of the number at 10th place. So what we will do? Let's take one more example. In this condition we will not add the 1. In this condition we will not add 1. 721. We have to round this number at a 10th place. Okay. So we will check the number which is written before that place. We have to round off this number at 10th place and before that 1 is there. And I told you when the digit or number is less than 5, we will not add 1. So it will be remain same. Here 2 is written, so it will be remain same. And what about this digit? It will be 0. In every condition, whenever the digit more than 5 or less than 5, whatever is there, rest of the digit will be 0. Okay. If less than 5 is there, we will not add. If 5 or more than 5 is there, then only we will add the 1. Now 9,34,583. We have to rounding this number at 10th place. At 10th place 8 is written there. So it will become the 9,30,000. So it will be 80. Okay. And I told you when less than 5 is there, we will not add. Okay. So this is the answer of both. Now similarly we do rounding of a number at 100 place. Okay. Rounding of number to the nearest 100 place. Same thing is there. At this in this number 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, and at 100 place 8 is written there. And I told you at which place we have to rounding the number, we will see the digit which is written before that. Okay. So at 100 place we have to rounding of the number, and before 100 place 7 is written, and 7 is more than 5, so you will add 1 in that. So it will be 9, 5 and it will be 9 because we have added 1. And 7 or 6, what will happen with the 7 6? It becomes the 0. So the rounding of the number of 95,876, it becomes the 95,900. Now do this question. 95,476. Now we have to do this. We have to rounding of this number at nearest 100. At 100 place 4 is there, and before 4 6 is there, and you know 6 is more than 5 because I told you when the 5 and more than 5 is there, we add the 1 at that place. Then 9, 5 and 4 become the 5. We have added the 1. Now what about the rest of the number? It becomes the 0. 0 हो जाएंगे. Now 12,437, we have to round this number near 100 place. At 100 place again 4 is there, and before 4 3 is there, and 3 is less than 5, so we will not add 1. 4 will be 4. 4 will remain 4. 1 2 4, and what about the rest of the number? It became 0. 12,400 is the answer. Similarly, you can do at 10,000 place, lakhs place, at which place where you have to round off the number, you will just see the digit which is written before that place. If that number or digit is 5 or more than 5, then you will add 1 and rest of the digit will be 0. Or if that number is less than 5, then you will not add 1 and rest of the number will be 0. So this estimation chapter is finished. I have made you understand, and in next video or I will just make you solve the questions of this exercise. Okay, thank you.